Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm really excited to present to you today the Laurel at Preston Hollow. This is an elite, beautiful residence, and it's in a very elite, beautiful part of town called Preston Hollow. There's so much to do here in this very, very nice area. It's a mature area that has a lot of gorgeous restaurants, shops, and a lot of things to do, and by the way, super safe area. So what we're going to do today is we're going to give you probably about 12 or so videos. They're going to be really quick, but they're going to show off the Laurel at Preston Hollow. We're going to walk around and talk about the area a little bit. Then we're going to go inside and look at the amenities of the area, of the Laurel at Preston Hollow. And then we're going to see a couple of apartments as well. I can't wait to show it off. It's going to be beautiful. You're going to love it. If you have questions at any time about anything that you're seeing here on any of these videos, or if you want to set up a tour, what I might recommend is to go ahead and send a text to the number below. That's my direct number. And just say, "Hi Grant, I love these videos of the Laurel Preston Hollow. I'd love to get a little bit more information," and maybe even set up a virtual tour. A virtual tour is a great way to start. It would be a live tour, someone on site that's taking you around, showing off the property, kind of like me, but very more personalized. And then the personalized tour can also show you exactly what's available. And then if you like, you can apply after that, or you can set up a live in-person tour. So send me a text. It's part of our free service to take care of you with those virtual or live tours. And just request it. It's going to be fun, and I can't wait to show this off. All right, now let's talk a little bit about the area. We're going to do that in the next video. Just let the playlist run, and you're going to love what you see. Okay, let's do the next video now.